Huh?
Go.
Huh?
I don't. Just start.
Okay.
I can cut it later. Just start now.
Huh?
I can cut it later.
Okay.
Which restaurant do you want to go to?
I want to go to Sunny restaurant because the food is cheap.
But I think the food smells bad, and sometimes there are some insects too.
Okay, so which restaurant can we go to then?
Can we go to a happy restaurant? Although the food is expensive, it is yummy and the seats are comfortable. Do you like it?
I like this restaurant too, but we don't have a lot of money. Can we choose best restaurant?
I agree with you. The food is delicious and clean.
Okay, let's go to best restaurant.
Can I buy these clothes?
You cannot buy these clothes because we don't have a lot of money to buy them.
They are only $2,000.
$2,000 is too expensive.
Well, can I buy another dress?
How much?
$300.
Okay, that's just you can buy.
After we buy the clothes, we can go to a restaurant to eat food.
Okay.
Let's go to the restaurant near my home and have a dinner there.
No, I don't want to go outside to eat.
Why not? The food in the restaurant is very delicious.
Because most restaurants are not clean.
But the place I want to go is very clean. Also, the waiters are nice and friendly.
Let's go there.
Let's take the bus. I'm very hungry.
Me too.
Where do you like to travel to?
I want to travel to Japan. How about you?
I want to travel to England. Why do you want to travel to Japan?
It is because I like sushi. Then why do you want to go to England?
Because England has yummy food and England has beautiful views too. How will you travel there?
I will travel Japan by airplane.
I will travel by airplane too.
Okay, we will go to England.